Okay, so current assets. The reason why they're called current is because they're going to be used within the current period, which is within 12 months or less. The accounts listed under current assets is going to be listed within decreasing order of liquidity. And liquidity means how quickly those assets can be turned into cash. And current assets is also known as short-term assets. So these assets can be cash equivalents, short-term investments, accounts receivable, stock. Inventory is also very liquidable. Now, long-term assets, these are assets that are not expected to be fully consumed or converted into cash within the next 12 months. So this also means that they're assets that simply are going to take longer in time to turn into cash, and they're not as liquidable. So these include PP&E, physical assets, machine, office equipment, buildings, fixtures. In restaurants, it could be utensils. So let's take a look at Okay, so in this restaurant balance sheet, you're going to start out with your most, like I said, your liquid assets, which are your current assets. So you have your cash on hand, your cash in banks, your accounts receivable. So you're going from your most liquid to your long-term assets. So from your current to your long-term. So cash on hand, cash in banks, accounts receivable, inventory. These are the most liquid assets you have. Then you're going to go to, as you can see, PP&E, a long-term asset. Your furniture, fixtures, equipment, your tableware, kitchen utensils. So these are your more long-term assets. And like I said, you go from your most current assets, which are most liquid, to your long-term assets, which are not as liquid.